actually looking at here, okay, you do need it to cool down. So as that level of consolidation gets that retest of the 55 EMA, that creeps up, so a very similar pattern to what you're looking at there, okay, you could be looking at another big impulsive move like that one, okay, because that's what you want it to cool down for that next impulsive move. So after that level of consolidation, you can simply, you know, just measure this right now. You can go from that retest of the 55 EMA to its high, okay, was an appreciation of 212% over 5 days. Okay, so that's a guesstimate. So let's throw in a little guesstimate here. So you got the 9 to 10 days of consolidation from the high, so you're looking at roughly that sort of time there. If you go through the same kind of cycle as what you've just recently been through, so that's sort of, you're looking at that level of consolidation along there now, like that, just to recoup, just to re-energize, and then you could pop out at that point, okay, and you would appreciate, what did we say it was? Let's have a look again. Sorry, that's taking of a measurement. It was from there to there, and it took 4 days, and you appreciated 211%. Okay, so let's do that. So from that point there, that bottom there, you could appreciate in 4 days 211% if it was to go through a very similar cycle. So, you know, it's not an exact science, but this is how we do it, technical analysis. So roughly somewhere around there. I know it doesn't look the same because you're on a logarithmic chart here, okay? So it's a logarithmic chart, so the scales look slightly different. So you had that level of consolidation there, and it just crept along to the right there and just consolidated, and then you started to break out and make that new high. So you're potentially looking at a very similar price structure now, where Ankr just goes sideways, starts to consolidate, and then gets to that sort of level there, which is, and I'll mark that for you. So that's the 6th of April. Okay, to keep an eye on that. On the 6th of April, you could potentially be looking at a level of consolidation, unless it breaks out sooner, obviously. If it was to go through the very similar cycle as to what it's just been through there, then you are targeting that, and then you are targeting that upside there, you know, over 5 days. So you could be looking at a brand new all-time high for Ankr by the 11th of April, and that would give you an actual price target up there of 50 cents. So that's basically a little bit of technical analysis on Ankr there. You know, if you went through a very similar cycle as to what you've just been through there, where you took that leg up, consolidated, and then you took a very similar leg up and then consolidated again. So that's just basically Ankr. I will keep you posted in real time in the Telegram group there, and I will obviously keep you updated. But you know what, you are looking really bullish, to be fair. You're looking a little bit overextended on the weekly, so you do need it to come down, cool down, get them levels reset. You've got that bullish cross down there on the 4 hourly, which is brilliant, you know, because ever since then you've just flew up, and you had an EMA retest just there, which is, we do like to see that, okay, especially in this channel. We do like to see these EMAs come together, just sort of almost get a touch. It's called a repel, okay, where to get an EMA retest just to test that you know, you're not falling down. You get that, and you look, you can get that literally towards the end of this level of consolidation, and that's what you want to see, and you will potentially see that, okay, where these EMAs come up, and the yellow line and the red line, and then it'll get the retest and the repel and push you on and push you up to them new highs. So that's basically a target, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. You know, that's technical analysis, and that's how we do it. And you know, again, if you was to fall down from here, then obviously you target the previous high. So I've given you the swing high there. That target, as you can see on the 4 hourly time frame, is you go up and you come down to the previous swing high, and then failing that, you know, get your charts out and just look at where the previous swing highs were, okay, and the levels of support. As you can see, when it goes up there and it falls back, it bounces off the previous high, goes up there, falls back, bounces off the previous high, goes up there, falls back, bounces off the previous high, and potentially, you know, you're going up there and you're falling back and you're bouncing off that previous high there. So, you know, just bring your charts out, and these would be levels of support if it was to break down. Simple as that. So that's Ankr. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do hit the subscribe button, and also please do smash the like button and get involved in the Telegram group there, and we'll keep you updated in real time with what's going on with this project. Okay, cheers, bye bye.